Hi, hope you guys are doing great. So in today's video, I am going to show you how you can create this amazing outline effect in Photoshop very easily. First of all, you will need a picture like this, a picture with subject. It can have the plain background or it can have any other background, but it should have a subject like this. So what we have to do is to make a selection of the subject here. You can use the quick selection tool or you can use the object selection tool. I am using the object selection tool. If you are using the older version of Photoshop, you can use the quick selection tool or magic wand tool, or you can also use pen tool or lasso tool. It's all up to you. Now the subject is selected. What we have to do is to make a copy of it. To make a copy of it, we have to press Ctrl plus J. Now we have the copy of this subject. Now we have to add the text on the document. For example, I am writing outline here and I am using these fonts. Align it to the center and then make it a little larger. Now the text that is on the top of the subject, we have to clip it on the subject like this and decrease the fill to 0 like this, so it will disappear. Do not worry, we will bring it back. And to bring it back, you have to right click on the outline text or any text that you have written, go to the blending options and stroke, and you can adjust the size of stroke and the position. I think the center position looks better, and you can also change the color from here like this, but for me white is good, and hit OK. So the outline text effect is ready. If you like the tutorial, you can subscribe to my channel and make sure to hit the bell icon so you do not miss any update, and we will meet in the next video.